The government released the Korean startup investment trend for the first quarter of 2024, assessing that it will continue to grow throughout the year. While Startuprecipe's monthly investment data doesn't show significant drops from month to month, it can't be called a recovery either, as there are no significant gains. Overall, the investment levels are still far below the record-breaking figures of 2021, with no signs of returning to those heights soon. However, a positive indicator is the increase in the average investment amount for Series A stage companies. For startups looking to scale beyond the seed stage, successful Series A investment is the crucial first gateway to a sustainable business. Therefore, the improving Series A investment environment is likely to have a positive impact going forward. Looking at the funding raised by Series A stage companies in Q1 2024, the total amount of Series A funding increased by 15% year-on-year to KRW 218.1 billion, and the average investment amount increased by over KRW 2 billion quarter-on-quarter. Compared to Q4 2023, the total series of funding rose by 44%, and the average investment amount increased by more than 2 billion Korean won, indicating a positive start to the year compared to the previous one. Notably, the highest Series A funding amount reached 30 billion Korean won, surpassing the 14 billion Korean won mark in the same period last year. The average amount of Series A investments from April to May 26 has already exceeded the Q1 figure, suggesting more money is expected to flow into Series A funding in Q2. The healthcare biosector is leading the rise in Series A investments. As of May 26, 33% of all Series A funding went to this sector. Primarily AI-driven healthcare companies. Manufacturing companies, including robotics, also attracted significant early-stage funding. In terms of funding size, robotics, beauty fashion platforms, and AI healthcare companies were the most successful in raising more than KRW 10 billion at the Series A stage. Software startups, one of the most popular investment sectors, were chosen by more investors at Series A and later stages. In terms of deal count, consumer tech was the center of attention, with fashion, beauty, food, e-commerce remaining strong at the early stage. While Q1 startup investments show a positive trend, it's not a clear recovery as the government forecast. However, the increase in Series A stage investments, the rise of the healthcare biosector, and the growth in the number of companies raising 10 billion Korean won at Series are positive indicators and bode well for startups that experienced an investment drought last year.